Today I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Twitter account or your X account. Now, I'm going to show you how to pause it. Make sure to watch till the end, otherwise your account will be lost after 30 days because this is a very important step. Now the first step is to grab your mobile device and head down to X, the application. Now from out here you see your Twitter feed or your X feed. Go to the top left corner where your profile picture appears, and here you see the drop down menu right in the bottom of your screen, the settings and support. Now here open up the settings and privacy tab, and here you have a load of options to choose from. We're going to your account, the first option, and here it's important that you choose the deactivate your account. Now here's a bunch of text, but make sure to read the first part. You can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation. So what will happen if you don't activate your account after 30 days? It will be permanently deleted. So make sure to log in before the 30 days if you want to still hold on to your X account. Now, this is very important. Scroll down till you see the deactivate button. Here press deactivate, simply sign in to your X account with your password, and here it will be deactivated. Now I chose the wrong password, but it doesn't matter, it's the way. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.